Just gotta wait for the lorry to go. There we are.
We're cycling the Danube River following the Eurovelo 6 from Germany to Romania.
Oh, it's a really cool reflection in there, Has. This is the official start of the Danube. And you can see in here it literally just bubbles up from the ground.
Really excited to start this next big stage of our adventure, all the way down the Danube.
Yeah.
See some amazing, exciting cities along the way.
This next section is going to be a real adventure, I think. It's not as well planned as the other one, but
well,
it's downhill. It is for now, yeah.
Until we get to Serbia.
Yeah.
Go slightly off piste.
Serbia down to Romania, and then who knows, along the Iron Curtain Trail. So, right, let's go. Let's go get coffee first. And we're off! And we're going to Tuttlingen this morning, it's about 25 k's, and then we're going to carry on another 30k or so to the campsite. This is it, the first official crossing of the River Danube. We made it. Well, we haven't made it, we just started it, I suppose, haven't we? Really beautiful, pleasant, peaceful, quiet start to our trip. What the hell is that? It's the loudest donkey I've ever heard. German donkeys. Crazy. Right, let's follow this river, Has. We've just got to follow it to Romania. Let's go. So this is the mighty River Danube.
Amazing. In periods of dry weather, the water actually flows through underground streams, and so this riverbed is completely dry, and then as the water starts to flow more heavily, it fills up again.
So where's all the water at the moment? Down there.
Underground.
And apparently it goes all the way into the River Rhine.
It does actually. Some of the underground rivers take away water from the Danube basin and go under the hills into the Rhine basin.
So day 41. It's been a strange old day today. We started off at the source of the Danube, and that was quite a high moment really. It felt quite good that we got that far and we're starting the next leg of our big adventure. Then we went through some pretty boring agriculture and rolling hills, and we've gone past loads and loads of cycle tours all going the same way, which is quite nice because we didn't see them before. But look at this scenery now. Absolutely amazing scenery. I think that's one of the best things, the biggest things I've loved about this trip, is that you can go through an hour or two of fairly monotonous cycling, and then you just pop out into a gorge like this with these huge limestone pinnacles. Just looks just like Thailand or Vietnam or Philippines, something like that. We've had some lows today, like Has has broken a spoke, so we're going to head on to this little town and get it fixed. Bit of a bummer when that sort of happens. It takes the wind out of you a little bit, but then you get to some epic cycling roads like this.
St. Maurice Chapel.
Oh yeah.
And then Schloss Wildstein.
Schloss Wildenstein. That is so beautiful. Some Roman dude just had to live up there, just waiting around for some barbarians. It's some sleepless nights. other news today, I have completely split my shorts. Luckily I've got these under shorts on as well with my padding, but that's lasted like a month. Not very good. This spot, beautiful. It's gonna be really peaceful, I think. Yeah, feeling good. We're gonna go to the bike shop in the morning, get everything fixed up, and everything is hunky-dory. Been up since about 10 PM. Dead silent, really beautiful place alongside the Danube. But the reality of cycle touring is that you get a lot of snorers and noisy people in campsites. And when you're really tired, all you want to sleep, all you want to do is sleep, and then you can't. Got some bloody snorers every night when you just think you've got a quiet spot. Oh, just start shouting stuff at them and nothing happens. Earplugs don't work, music doesn't work. Just getting more and more tired. Oh my god. Very annoyed because I keep waking up poor Hazza as well. So we just got the bikes fixed and cost us about €30. Valleybike.de. They basically trued, the bloke there trued both of our back wheels, sorted hazard gears out and mended the new spoke on the rear wheel. Didn't get any sleep last night, as you've just seen, but just got to power through. It is now 11:20 and we have got about 85k to do again today. It's another really long day, but the sun is shining, we've got coffee, we've got each other, and lunch soon, yeah. Brilliant. Right, let's get going. I'm going there to Sigmaringen, 3.9 kilometers exactly away, and we are going to treat ourselves to a McDonald's. This is my favourite castle so far. This is the Schloss, which means castle, at Sigmaringen, along the Danube cycle path. All the way along as well. It was really pretty. And we just had our very naughty McDonald's. Now we're feeling terrible. Haven't met any other English at all yet. But we keep meeting French people, which is nice. Get to talk a little bit of French, attempt to. That's been really good fun. And as you can see ahead of me, well, behind there's Hazza, and ahead of me, it's gonna be very windy, but ahead of me, loads of cycle tourers. A lot of them are in their 50s, 60s, 70s, some of them. Sort of retirement age, some of them as well, and just brilliant really. A lot of them have got electric bikes, but they're just cruising around. We spoke to quite a few. They're doing either sort of 2 or 3 week trips. Just a quick update, this is one of those classic moments when everything's going really, really well and we're following the signs perfectly, the roads are great, and then you end up in a bloody quarry. Don't know how we ended up in here, so we've got to go all the way back up, and then there's a massive hill to get back up, which is really annoying, and there's a massive thunderstorm coming as well, so better get going. There he is, little fella. The European terrapin. Only found in this area, and some others.
For liquid all sorts.
Oh man. So we were told as well that this was a what's it called, a hot spring, so I was expecting beautiful clear water, go in there, lounge, maybe little bar. No. It's definitely a bit of a pond with terrapins in it. Bye Terry.
I've set up camp.
Let's do it. Just got to the campsite. There's absolutely nobody here. Oh, after last night as well, literally slept probably an hour last night. We've just done 85k. It was a good day though, we really enjoyed it, it was amazing. But could do with a good sleep. Apparently we just give them a call, ring them up, register, pay over the phone probably. Very impressed. Oh, and there's a Lidl just over the Danube River just there. And then we can get some food. And this is the result. Nice cheap little beers, but also some spaghetti, pesto, tomatoes,
onion, and parmesan.
Yeah, we are. Good morning. This is day 43 now, and I've just got the best setup ever, so I wanted to show you around. So, this is my little editing suite. I'm just going to do an hour this morning before Hazza wakes up. Really good setup. Got my own power, everything I need. Classic Lipton yellow tea. This is brekkie, so we've got peanut butter, cranberries and sultanas and bananas. We've got all our bits and bobs here for making food. Got the excellent MSR stove. Works without a problem every single time so far. This is our coffee flask. In our food here we've got some cheap instant coffee, some bits and bobs, got porridge there, lots of tea and coffee, condiments, backup rice, something naughty there. And every morning we have some vitamin C and magnesium tablets. Keep us fit and healthy. And we've got some nice plums there for snacks, more condiments, and that's my magnesium sizzling away with a bit of sparkling water. Living the dream. And there we are. So I think I probably slept about 8 hours last night. The best sleep I've had so far, that's for sure. Wake up, nice peaceful cup of tea. Oh my god. These as well, by the way, were a new purchase. We had really tiny ones, they're like a shot glass basically, and they just didn't hit the spot. So now we've got a proper mug for a proper cup of tea. Black, naturally. And because we've got no fridge to keep milk in. Okay, so all packed up, had our brekkie, and today we're off to Leipheim. Harris, where are we going to today? Okay, so breakfast done, all packed up, ready to go. Feeling very achy actually from yesterday. Maybe hasn't, not so much. We're off to Leipheim today. And we thought it was about 100k, but I don't know how we've calculated it wrong. It's only about 70 or so, 75. Still a long day though. And after the 250 we've done in the last 3 days, it's pretty tough. Legs are really sore today. Wearing fresh clothes, nice and airy. Trying to. Where are we? Good question. Where are we?
Erringen.
No. Erhingen. Erhingen.
We are in Erhingen.
Yes, we are.
Cheese bread.
Look at this. What a lovely snack.
Quite interesting fountain.
It's a really cool fountain. Just a local middle of nowhere town in Germany. This route we were going to go on, well we are going on, is Erhingen to Blaubeuren, which is stage 6, and we're going to go on to Ulm after that, and then keep going to our campsite somewhere. But there's 2 different ways to do it. You can either go on a quick route or a slow route. So we're going to go the slow route because it goes to the Blautop Blue Water Lagoon, the source of the Blau River. It's supposed to be spectacular because it says spectacular. Right, Haz, tell me about this place.
This is a blue lagoon.
Correct. Hello. We're just now coming into Ulm, ULM, and we're going to stop for lunch. We're going to have a real nice treat of sausage and beer or something. It's been a really boring day today, quite cold and grey as well, nothing to see. The Blue Lagoon was like a little pond, it was blue. It was like, that's quite clever, quite impressive, but still boring. We also thought of a new game to play. So when we're on really long stretches and literally nothing's happening, the scenery's not changing, we're going to do a little quiz. So you can just go, okay Google, and you can ask him a question. Currently we're at 1-1, and then we lost phone signal again. So we're currently waiting on the answer to how long is an elephant pregnant for. I've gone 24 months, probably very wrong. Haz has gone 19, probably spot on. So we ask each other a question, and then the other person has to answer first. Both of us didn't know the first president of the United States, which was very poor. But we do now. George Washington. You're welcome. That won't go on film, sorry. Here we are in Leipheim. We found the best spot. It feels a bit cheeky, but look how far we are. So, all of this space we could have had, all over there. There's a lake over there with a beach volleyball. They said you could go anywhere on the grass. We're literally in the furthest corner. Next to the mooks, which is cows in as I speak. And there's a baby farm on this campsite as well. So we've got baby goats, cows, sheep, and a little baby football pitch too. Go in house, put it up. Coming.